to attach their works, or they're going to do that by themselves? That's
No,
what I
no.
wanted to ask.
Yes, you can certainly touch their work because they are too young, and then
Yes.
you should guide them, and you should like there are some surveys which like they may not understand the meanings, or they may be young to answer that. So you can guide them in filling up the surveys. You can tell them how to do that, and the other activities they can do. The students of any age group can do. Only regarding the survey, you need to just guide them. Okay.
Okay, great. Yes, the works will be original. They will be authentic,
Yes.
made by themselves. But I'm going just to attach them, not to delete or make some damage to the others attached documents. That is why. Thank you.
Yes. You are welcome. Not an issue at all. So, Shalini ma'am, shall we start?
Sure,
It's
sir.
seven. It's
Sure.
7:05. Uh, so I would just like to request all of you to please mute your microphone. If you want, you can on your camera, and whatever question you have or the query you have, you can ask at the end of the session. This would be a hands-on training. So whatever your questions are there, your queries are there, that would be satisfied until you are satisfied. Okay. So I would just like to introduce you all our, just a moment. I need to admit the educators also. Today we have with us Shalini Chauhan. We are very pleased and we are very fortunate to have her for this session, because I'll just introduce you. Uh, she is a mathematics educator and examination officer, Indirapuram Public School, Delhi, India. She is Flipgrid certified educator, Wakelet ambassador and leader. She is a 3D Bear ambassador, T4 ambassador. She is also a Microsoft Innovative Educator and Teach SDGs ambassador. Then she is Bansi ambassador, Nearpod certified educator, and recently she has received a prestigious Global Teacher Award. So we are very fortunate to have Shalini Chauhan ma'am today with all of us, and she is going to introduce us an amazing tool which is Flipgrid. Because throughout this project, we would be using this tool to upload videos, to upload our responses, to get to know each other. So this is wonderful tool which is used to empower voice of educators as well as students. So let us have this hands-on training for Flipgrid. Now I would request Shalini ma'am to go forward. Ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, Pramod sir, for this lovely opportunity where I can share my learning with happiness facilitator around the globe. And congratulations for bringing this project for all of us. And I am proud to be a happiness facilitator. So friends, today we will explore together how to share Flipgrid link with our students, to invite and guide them to join the topic or group discussion, how to record your response in Flipgrid and its camera features. Here we start. With Flipgrid, first of all, students can join any topic without creating accounts. So they need not to create any account. Educators create their groups and topics and then share the Flipgrid URL. Like Pramod sir has just created a topic for all of us to be a part of this project, and he will be sharing that link in chat window. Sir, I would request you to share that link which you have created for the project in the chat window.
Just a moment, ma'am. I'll do that.
Yes. And student can also join the discussion from their mobile device or tablet, because mostly student use this handsets for their classes, for their activities, for their projects. So I'll take you to both the platforms, mobile also and laptop also, because most of the educators use laptop. So I'll guide you how to create your own project or own video on Flipgrid with mobile as well as with laptop. So first of all, the students or the educators who are using mobile or tablet, they have to download the free Flipgrid app in the App Store or Google Play. First, I would like to take you via phone. Please allow me to share my screen. So hope my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So we are going through phone first, and I would request all of you to get ready with your phone, with your gadgets, to have some hands-on experience. Just follow the steps. First, we will go to App Store.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. May I?
Yes, sir, sure.
Ma'am, could you please hold the phone in a horizontal position so that the screen would be bigger?
Sure,
And
sure.
those students who are joining from handsets, they would be able to read it.
Hello.
Sir, right now it's not working like that, but first I will go to the platform, then I'll make it horizontal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
I am going to type in Flipgrid in my app store, and let's see, here is Flipgrid. So I have already downloaded it in my phone. So if you have you haven't have this app in your phone, so you have to download it first. Now you must be having the code, the Flipgrid code in your chat window. All of you are requested to see that code. Yes, the last number, the A8B22A7A. So you have to, your students, or you have to type in, enter join code here. Once you have downloaded it, then the second step is to write your code. There are three options, three ways to join the discussion. First is via code. Second is you can use QR code also if your educator has shared that. Third is just to click on the link. So I am giving you one example for code. So code is A8B22A7A. You all are requested to do all these steps along with me, so that you can also feel or experience how your students are going to have that experience during the project. Now I am clicking on go. So here the project which sir has created for all of us has come on the screen. Here you can read the topic. Students will introduce themselves, keeping in mind following points. So these are the prompt which sir has mentioned there. Okay, so the child who is going to introduce will speak his name, her name, country, and one thing that makes him
Ma'am, you are muted.
sorry. I was saying just you can read the topic which is on the screen right now. Sir has created one topic for us. Students will introduce themselves keeping in mind following points. He or she will start with the name, then country, then one thing that makes him or her happy. So these are called prompt to start the discussion. Now you can see this red circle where the video icon is made. So you have to click on that. The next step is join with Google or join with Microsoft. So here I have created, I use mostly for my all apps Google account. So it's your choice. Now Flipgrid wants to use google.com. So I am clicking on continue. Now he will ask which account you are going to use for Flipgrid platform. So I have created my account and I have clicked on that email ID. Now you can see my picture on the screen. This way you can create, your students can create your videos. They can record their views, their thoughts on a given topic. So in this way, they are able to go to this platform. Now, I am repeating all the steps again. First, you have to, first point, how to join via phone. First step, download Flipgrid app. It's free of cost, so you can use App Store or Google Store. Second step, you will, if you don't have this Flipgrid app downloaded, then they will ask you, select yourself as an educator, student or guest. That also I'll show you. First, I need to delete this app from my phone. So I have deleted now. Now let's see what happens when I try to download it from my App Store. So you can see yes. Now you can see I need to download it. I have clicked on downloading button. Let's see what happens. This is my first step when I am downloading this app on my mobile. Now it's downloaded. Now he will ask you, ask you join a code from your educator or enter your join code or scan a QR code or record your video. So I am clicking on next. Here it will ask you, tell us about yourself. So you need to click on one option, whether it's student, are you a student, are you an educator or are you a guest. So same way your student will also do, they will click on student, and if you are using it for first time, you will click on educator, like I have done on educator. Now I am clicking on next. So here I can start again with the entering the code. Sir has mentioned, sir has shared the link in chat window. So you can also join this discussion along with me. The steps will be same from this step. So first you will join the code. Then you will go to, do you want me to repeat all the steps again from here?
Does anybody want? Does anybody want?
Yes, sir. Yes. Or should I move to laptop?
Yes.
Do you want to repeat?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So please, I request all of you to follow the steps and do it along with me. Now I am entering the code. The code is always the last numbers or digits mentioned in your link, which starts with flipgrid.com/ and then rest of the part is the code. Now 08B22A7A. This is the code. Now I am clicking on go. Now I have come on the topic.
Somebody's microphone is on. Please mute yourself. Okay.
Yes. So first step was downloading Flipgrid app. Second step was select yourself as a student, as an educator or a guest. Then enter the code. Then you will be on the screen on the topic. Now I am clicking on video icon where you will get, it will ask you, this platform will ask you, do you want to join with Google or Microsoft? It's your decision, and you can join with any of your ID. So I am joining with Google. So now I will select which Google ID I'm going to use for Flipgrid platform. It is coming late on the screen. It's taking time.
Yes, it does.
So now I am selecting my account and I'm signing in Flipgrid platform. It's stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know why, because I am on the next step in my phone.
Yes, but we can see the login to record, that is the window.
Right.
Whether to
right.
log in with Microsoft.
So let's wait till the time screen comes on the main screen.
Till
So
the time
after that, you will be, yes, sir?
No, go on, ma'am, please.
So after that, you will be asked to join from the account of your choice. So I have chosen Google ID, and I have joined via Google ID. And now,
yes, ma'am. Now it's moving.
Now Flipgrid would like to access your microphone. So I am clicking on OK. Now let's see what happens. Now on my screen, my camera is there and it's open. Now the next step is to learn how to record your response. So that I will take on laptop. Otherwise, we can do it on phone as well. You can see if this right hand side panel, that is effects and options. If I click on option, you will see upload clip, mic on, notes and mute. 4 options are there when I click on options. It's again
stuck.
I don't know why it's happening. And next is, if I click on effects, then you will have many options like filter, frames, emojis, text, then draw, then board, then photo, then zip. You can create an amazing video response on Flipgrid. So let's move to this platform via laptop. So I have stopped sharing my screen from mobile. Hope all of you have clear idea about this platform with phone. So if you have any query or any option, please ask. If we are supposed to start using it with phone, Do you have any query or any confusion? How to download it? How to start using it? Okay, so should we move forward?
Does
Thank
anybody have any query? She will just resolve that then and there. If you have any question, please go on, because afterwards you are going to use yourself, and you are going to tell to do it to your students also. So if you are clear, yes. Who is there?
Sir, Dhruv.
Yes, yes. Ask. Go on.
Ma'am, are we going to discuss on this app on a daily basis of a week? Are we going to discuss live like this?
I didn't get your question, beta.
Like we are having the conversation on the team app, like that, are we going to have the same conversation on that app also?
Yes, yes, but not the same, because there is no chat option. But when you record your response and you upload it on Flipgrid, there is an option. It's totally depend on your educator if he or she wants to let you discuss on that topic or not. If you have posted one video, there is an option. You can share your views. You can comment on that video via comments also, or you can record your response also. So I will show that also. Okay.
Shalini ma'am, may I add something to this?
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay. So students, like we are meeting now, we are using Teams app. So all are here, but it may not be possible for everybody to be present in a meeting or for a discussion at the same time. So Flipgrid is there to do the arrangements. Like we will upload our response, then the other students or the educators will see that at any time of the day, and then they will reflect on it, or they will give the response, or they will write down the opinion, or record the video. So it's kind of sharing your response or your learnings, so that everybody can listen, everybody can see that. Okay.
So friends, there are 3 steps. First step is to locate the join code, which we have already done. And your educator, or being an educator, you can share one of these ways to join the right discussion. First is join code, which we have discussed. Second is QR code and join link. Second step is, first step we have understood. Second step is join the discussion. Open the Flipgrid app and enter the information provided by your educator in step 1. The third step is record and submit. Right? So once you have joined, you will see your educator's topic and discussions prompt, which I have shown you during this presentation. Follow the instructions, and when you are ready to record, click the red record a response button, or the record icon in the bottom right. Now step 1 is record the video and select the record button. I am taking you all to the platform. Please allow me to share my screen. Yes.
Could I request some of the educator to please mute yourself, because there is a lot of traffic noise in the background. Maybe Santha ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, one educator has raised the hand.
I have a question. Hello. So now we want only our students to upload a video on the Flipgrid, yes? To introduce themselves, or
Yes.
educators?
Yes, Ania, very good question. I have shared both the links for educators also and for teachers also. There are separate links, and educators are also supposed to upload and share the students link with the students.
So students will not see the educators.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Separate links.
They can see, ma'am, if you can also record your response there.
On their topic.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I am just sharing my screen with all of you. Give me a moment.
And meanwhile, I would like to tell students who have not, or the educators who have not at all used Flipgrid, that this is very amazing tool wherein you can edit the video in many ways as you can. Shalini ma'am will certainly show us that. So it's very interesting to use this tool.
Yes, sure. Moment, 1 minute. Yes. Visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
I need to check whether I have just a moment. Yes. So this is Google. I will request all of you to do or to follow all the steps along with me. Now you have to type in flipgrid.com in your web browser. Please follow the steps so that what? Connection is correct, network is correct. It's not opening.
If you don't mind, shall I share my screen?
Sir, you can share, but in that way, I will feel difficulty
Okay.
in explaining. Let me try last time. Otherwise, please, you can go ahead.
Yes, it's working.
No, it's not working. I think site is down.
Oh.
Otherwise, net is working. Sir, can you try?
Yes, ma'am. Just a moment.
The site is okay. I have reached there.
Yes. Ma'am, could you please stop sharing your screen? Then I can start.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. I'll share the screen. Once you enter the this address flipgrid.com, this screen will come up.
Yes, your screen is working. Great. System. Okay. Now, sir, I would request you to please type in, enter a join code.
Okay.
You
That
all
is
can see, enter a join code, red rectangular box, where you are supposed to follow the same step, because here you need not to download any app. Please remember, when you are using this platform with phone, you need to download. It will automatically ask you to download this app. But when you are using it with laptop, you can directly enter the code. Sir, I request you to just enter the code, which is A8
yes.
B22 A7A.
Okay. Oh my God. Just a moment. Okay. Then.
Yes, sir. Now you are here on the screen, which was the third step when you were using with phone, but now it's a second step. You are directly taken to the platform Flipgrid. Now, sir, please click this on this red circle.
Record the response.
Yes, sir. The same step which we followed with phone, you need to join with Google or Microsoft. So, sir, please click on any of your choice.
I'm logging in with Google account, and if you want to make it remember yourself, then just click this box, remember me. I'm joining with Google. I'll select the account.
Yes, sir. Now
it is asking for the permission.
Yes,
it
sir?
is asking for the permission to use your microphone and use your camera, so you have to allow.
Otherwise your voice will not be recorded or you will not be seen on the camera. Now it's loading. Sir, today I think there is a problem in the site only, because it doesn't happen with me any.
Okay, there are two options, whether you can use the camera, or you can use you can import the video. So shall I import any video? Just
Sir,
show
import
them.
means you should have one recorded video on your desktop. Then you can just import that video from your desktop and it will be added to your account, to your project automatically. There you are not using camera features, amazing camera features, I must say, of Flipgrid platform. This would be the simple video which you record with your phone camera or with your laptop camera. So you can upload any video, any recorded video here in this project. And I wanted to show you the steps how you can use this platform to record, to use these features, this camera features. I don't know, my Flipgrid is not working and search also. So what should we do, sir? It directly takes you to let me try one more time. Okay, can I show it on phone?
Yes,
it
ma'am.
would be better, na?
It would be
because
better.
You are aware now, you are clear how to connect with phone or laptop. Now I can show you the camera feature with the help of my phone. So, sir, please allow me to share my screen. Yes, it's done.
Yes.
It's done, sir. My laptop has started. No. Wait.
Hello, ma'am. Speaking from Bangladesh. Momtaz Rukhsana.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes. I am sharing my screen now.
If I use desktop, then how do I get join code?
Ma'am, the code that you need to join with is given in the link itself. When the last number, the last part of the link is the code. So I have shared the link, and I'll be sharing the link then and there. So the last part of the link will be a code. You don't have to look for the code anywhere else.
So, yes, sir. So my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I am entering the code and I am clicking on this arrow and it will take me to the topic which sir has created for all of us. Now I will click on record a response. Now I'm joining with my Google account. It will again ask me which account I would prefer to use for this platform. So this camera is started now.
No.
God.
I
was
doing
working
that.
just half an hour before when I was when I was trying this, it was working there, but I don't know what happened. I
Not a
think
problem. We can
some.
show them the features on mobile also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Because I have done all the necessary things which were shown on the screen right now.
Sure, sir. So I'm stopping sharing my screen from laptop. Now I have started sharing it with phone. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
So this is my camera. Now I am clicking on camera option, which is upload clip. I can upload any clip from my phone. It should be in your desktop also when you are using it for Flipgrid. If you want to upload any image on Flipgrid while creating your video, you can do that. First, we will talk about the effects. Now, first is filter. So apply a fun filter to the camera. Filter include this rainbow. You can create a rainbow video. You can change your screen, or even if you don't want to show your face, you can use this brick idea or this pixel idea. Now the next is frame. Apply a frame around the camera. Frames allow you to become a newscaster to a fish underwater. So in this way, breaking news, the screen is with breaking news, or you can give any border to your video. You can select any video. Children really enjoy this while creating their own videos. So this was frame. So I think we should go for this frame. Yes, please tell me this which one you would like to see.
Students, which frame would you like to see?
Yes, ma'am, this one. The
This
second
one?
last. Second last.
Second last. Okay, this one?
Ma'am, from last. Yes, ma'am. This one.
This one? Okay, fine. Now the next is emoji. You can add as many as emojis you want. Like if you want to take this emoji, you can take it. You can even change its size also. You can enlarge it. You can make it small. You can place it. You can drag it anywhere on your screen. Okay. And next is Next is text. Okay, if you want to add more, then we can add more. Now, next option is text. This is really amazing option. You can choose any font and you can start writing, like I am writing happiness facilitator. So this will reveal on your screen and you can arrange it anywhere. If you want to give a heading to your video, like you are joining this happiness project, so you can give heading happiness project. If you are joining any SDG project, you can give the name of that particular SDG or goal. You can mention SDG 5, SDG 6. Now next is you can choose any font. Okay. Now next is draw. You can draw anything on your screen if you want, or if you want to erase it, you can click on undo. Next is board. This is really useful when for the educator or for the students while creating your tutorials or your peer teaching videos, because you can add any board here and you can choose any pen and you can start solving the sum also. You can do any concept if you are making them aware about is MR, use of is MR or was were, whatever you want to do, you can do it on this board. There is an option whiteboard, whiteboard or black and white board. So you can choose any board of your choice. You can slide it, you can cover yourself totally, or you can make it half, or you can make it 3/4. It's totally depend on you. Now next is photo. You can upload any photo here and you can add any photo from, like the facilitators are going to record videos and we just have created our badges. So your student should see those badges and you can add that badge in your video. Now next is GIF. So you can add any sticker, any GIF also in this video. Now we will talk about options. You can upload clip like I told you earlier. You can upload any video also directly from your desktop or from your video gallery from phone. Then you can mic on. Here you will not be visible on the screen, only mic will work, your voice will get recorded. Then notes. This is the note option where the topic, whatever is the prompt or the topic will you can read it here only, and you can mute yourself. And if you want to only if you want to record only the screen, not your voice, you can mute yourself or unmute yourself. Got it? Now we can start recording. Till now, if you have any confusion, any question, please ask me.
Ma'am, there are some questions, there are some queries written in the chat box. Shall I read them for you?
Yes, if it is related to the steps till now we have covered, so you can please go ahead.
Okay, one question is there that I think I have already answered. Is it like necessary to add the code? Is it compulsory to put this code? So the answer is yes, right? The code is necessary.
Yes, no, there are three options. You can just click on the link which sir has shared. You can click on that link. It will directly take you to your Flipgrid platform. Second option, if the educator has shared QR code, you have to scan that with your phone or with your gadget, whatever you are using. And the third option is you can join with link, with code, which we have shown during this presentation. And code is always the number and the alphabets written after /, flipgrid.com/ and after that whatever number is there, that is code. And educators can share only code with their students. If your students are getting confused, you directly can even share the code. Need not to share the full link. Is it fine, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now we are coming to the last step, how to record your message or okay. So now there is two more options which you can find on laptop. It's not here on phone. There are two squares you can see on the right side of your screen. First is sticky note, where the participant can type notes to view when recording, and these notes are not included in the submitted video. So you can make notes. If you are not comfortable in recording, you can always write your matter on the sticky note when you are using laptop, and you can just read it from there and you can record your voice. You can empower your voice, and that note will not visible in your final submission. Okay. The next is view topic. Participant can select the book icon, where there must be a book icon on the top of the screen when you are going to record, and you can see the detail of your topic like it was here in mobile, this note. You can tap to add note also. This is given at the bottom when you are using mobile, and it is given on the top of the right side of the screen when you are using laptop. So you can always write. It is the prompt. It is a question that you can view topic. You can view topic like this. Here is the topic, and you can add your own notes also, whatever you want to record. In mobile, it is given at the bottom, and in laptop, it is given on the screen only, recording screen. Now, we will click on this red recording button. Now, it is the final step to record, how to record. It is the final step which I am going to share now. Now, I am clicking on this record button. So sir has set the time 1 minute 30 seconds. Once you will click on this record button, your video will automatically start recording, and you can share your response on your project. It's not clicking again. So hope till now everything is clear to all of you. I'm trying. You need to click on this circle, red circle, to record your voice. It's not working. Today, I think there is a problem in app.
Yes.
because we are trying hard, but
that
okay,
this is the last step.
friends. Yes, you need to click on this circle, and after that, once you will record your voice, your response, then it will ask you to submit your voice. So for that, you will be asked to review first. You can trim your recording, your response also, if you want that it should not be taken complete. So you can trim and always, and you can review also. Or if you don't want, you want to retake it, you can always cancel that recording and you can redo it for your final submission. And then you will click on next, then review your video. You have the option to trim also. Then again you have to click on next, then again review your display name, because the screen will ask you to write your name and your title. And there is an option to take your selfie also. So in that case, you can take your selfie, you can upload from your gallery also if you don't want to take selfie. If you are not in the position to take a selfie and you are already recording your blur with pixel screen, so you can always take your selfie photo from your gallery, from your desktop, and you can upload it. You need to write your name, you need to write the title, and then the final submit. Click on submit. Your video will be, your response will be recorded in your project. And there the educators, if many of you are educators, if you want to create any project for your kids, you have to create your own account on Flipgrid. And after that, you can create your project or your topic. If my Flipgrid would be working, I will show you some of my projects which I have done with my kids. So in that way, I have done many projects on SDGs also. So you can create, and it's up to you. If you want to make it in your hand, that if the video should get uploaded after your approval, then you always make that option on. And after your reviewing or after your approval, you can make it, you can share it, you can make it public. So in this way, this is all about Flipgrid. Sir, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. There are some queries in the chat box. First, I will read them, and then we will go towards educators or students if they have any doubts. Ma'am, the Nirmala Devi asks, are the students able to delete the recording of their own if they want?
No, once they have submitted the video, the educator, the owner of that project or the topic can delete it, can make it public, can hide it. It's totally depend on you as an educator. Full rights are with you. The child cannot delete anyone's video or even not his own video.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Then there is one more question. That the join code is not yet not clear yet.
Join code is
not clear yet. Like she has not understand what is the join code.
Okay, so can you?
I have shared the link again.
Can you paste it again, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Just now I have pasted.
Okay, I have to share the screen in that case. And if you want to see some project of my Flipgrid account, please write in chat window so that I will take permission from Pramod sir to show some of the videos. And where is the...
We have got some responses for these happiness ambassadors. So shall we show them one response, what we have got?
Yeah, sure, sir. You have with you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir, please post the link here. I will make them understand.
Shared the link. I have shared the link
okay.
In the chat box. Okay, so here, can we see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir, very much.
Okay, so here are here are different topics that you will be sharing your responses for. And here I will just like to show one of the video to you. This is Rudransh. She has created a very nice video of himself. So I'll just play the video, listen carefully, and just look at the creativity that he has used to empower his voice to make the video more beautiful.
Yes.
Just let me know if the voice is not there.
Sir, you need to open that option before sharing the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to reshare,
okay,
sir,
okay.
and start audio option.
I didn't get you.
Sir, you have to reshare the screen. Stop sharing the screen first.
Okay.
Then reshare. Then click on sharing, and there is an option to add audio. Before sharing the screen, just on it. Yes. Now you can.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Now voice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Rudransh Thomas from India. The things that make me happy when I explore the wildlife, and I love to take care of the animals and birds. I believe in shoot with cameras, not with guns. Thank you. Hello, my name is Rudransh Thomas.
So this is what the final video will look like once you upload the video. Over to you, ma'am. The thing with the code that she has not understood.
Sir, it's not visible in the chat window, I think. It's there?
Yeah, it's there. Again, I
Just
will
let
share
me
it.
check.
I have shared it again. Okay. Mamtaz ma'am, can you see the chat window and the link shared over there?
Yes.
Can you see the link that I have just shared?
Yes, I have tried.
Okay. So there is a. Okay, ma'am. Please go on.
No, sir, it's okay.
So there is the link. In the link, there is flipgrid.com/ after / whatever is there is the code. Okay. After the / the last one A8B22A7A, that is the code. Okay. Is it clear now?
Ma'am, you can share the last part with your kids also. I am typing in the chat window. Just take it from there. You can share only this part with your students so that they may not get confused. A8B22A, yes. So this is the code for your project, for the presentation or for the video response, which sir has created for all of us. So your children are supposed to add this code in join a code rectangle, and they will just add this and they will get the platform where they are supposed to be for recording.
And I would like to make clear one more thing, that this code is only for one activity, like introducing our happiness ambassadors. So for different activities, different links, different codes will be shared. So the code is only for the first activity. Okay. The afterwards I'll be sharing other codes for other activities. So one educator is there. She has raised her hand. Dumitrita. Am I pronouncing it right?
Oh, sorry.
Yes,
No.
yes. Please go on. Ask your question. Ask your query. Hello?
No,
Do
no.
you want? Okay. Not a problem. Not a problem. So anybody else, if any query, if any question regarding anything?
I would like to ask a question.
Yes.
I cannot raise my hand at the moment because something is blocked. I would like to ask, because
applications are different, but the same task is given. So the students have to present themselves on Flipgrid, and they have to present themselves with the same task on Wakelet. So
yes, these two are different platforms. Flipgrid is regarding videos and how students can use their creativity. Like this project is all about making students happy. So this activity will make them more happy. It will enhance their creativity. And in case of Wakelet, students can use pictures, students can use photos, text. So these two tools will use to different abilities of students.
yes, but do they have to do the same task on two applications? That's what I asked.
Yes, they do have to. They are more
They
well.
have to do both on the both applications, the same task.
Yes, yes, the same task.
Okay.
So may I add something?
Yes, ma'am, please.
When you will be learning about Wakelet, there is again, you will find an option of recording Flipgrid video. So once you will click on that Flipgrid link, you just get the camera on in front of you and you can start recording it and you can share it on Wakelet as well. So hope this will be taken in the next session.
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow's session. Tomorrow's session is all about Wakelet. And one more question is there. When will we have to send a response video? I have not like put any deadline for this, but expectedly within 1 week of activity, starting of activity, you can upload the video, and afterwards that link would be blocked. So the next activity would be going on. Then the next question is, do teachers has to create the link each time, and how long does the link last? Shalini ma'am, could you please answer this?
Sir, sorry, I didn't hear the question.
Do teacher has to do they have to create the link every time, and how long does the link last?
No, once you have created this link, it will remain with you for your whole life. It will be stored. It will be saved in your Flipgrid account forever, and you can share this link as many as time you want with different group of learners or with educators. You can do that.
Okay. And regarding this particular project, I'll be I'll be sharing the links with you. And for this particular project, you are supposed to use those links only, but you are open to make your own links and open to share those links with your students for your own projects. But for this project, you will be sharing the links that I will share with you, so that all the responses will be at one place. Okay, if anything, anybody would like to ask anything, would like to clear anything, they can ask, or else we would like to call it a day today, because one whole hour she is explaining everything, and this training is really very good, was really very good, because Mamtaz ma'am, she has posted a message like she has successfully logged in there.
Oh, great. Wonderful.
Yes.
So please write the comment if you are satisfied or if you want to ask any question. So please share your responses in the chat window. Sir, can we have a picture?
Yes, surely.
Can we request everyone to start their camera?
Ma'am, Nirmala Devi has raised her hand. Maybe the last question. Nirmala Devi, could you please ask your question?
Pramodji, good evening. Actually, my question is, I think you answered the question, but I didn't quite understand regarding each of the link that you're going to share, right? Will there be any like a stipulated time frame for us to record? For example, you have shared the recent one, the one that Shalini ma'am used. So will there be any time frame for the students to complete? So will there be any situation like you will deactivate it and then you will move on to the next next recording or something like that? I'm not very clear about that. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Pradeep sir, you can together mode. Together
Yes,
mode. Everyone
I
can
have put it on together mode. Nirmala Devi, I would like to ask answer your question in detail again. As we are going to conduct different activities, sticking to one activity for a long time would not do. So I'll be giving 15 days time span to for students to record their videos, and then afterwards I will be blocking that link, and we will be moving forward to the next activity. If I don't block that link, then students and educators will keep on adding, or they will keep on postponing recording the responses. So there must be a time span, a particular time frame in which you should record the responses, and I will be sharing the time frame or the last date, due date with you all in the WhatsApp group or in the mail itself. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome, ma'am. So could I ask everybody to please switch on the camera so that we can have a beautiful picture in together mode. And I'm really thankful to Shalini ma'am and to all the educators who have joined today. Learning together is a really very nice thing to do. And as this project is all about happiness, spreading happiness and becoming happy ourselves. So this tool, Flipgrid, is definitely going to help all of us spread happiness within ourselves and within our students as well. So Shalini ma'am, again, I'm very thankful to you that you literally volunteered for this cause. So I'm really very thankful.
Sir, thanks to you for giving me this nice opportunity, and I am hope I could add some values to their thoughts and I could answer their queries, and most of them will feel comfortable with this Flipgrid platform. Thank you so much. And
Yes,
thank you, my dear friends,
Pramod sir, you can
for
together
listening
mode
to
and
me
screen share.
for 1 hour.
Together mode and screen share. You can take pictures.
Thank
you, ma'am. And thank you, sir.
Yes.
Pramod sir, thank you.
You're most welcome.
Pramod sir, thank you very much.
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank
You're
you, Shalini
most
ma'am.
welcome. Thank you for joining
Thank
in,
you, sir.
all of
Thank
you.
you. Thank you,
So,
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So say cheese.
Thank you very
All of
much.
you,
Thank
cheese.
you.
Explain each and everything in simple language. That was each and every participant could understand it very properly.
Okay, sir.
Thank you
Sir.
so
The
much.
credit goes to
Thank you so
Shalini ma'am.
Very nice session. We easily understood.
Okay,
Actually, sir, when we teach, we should consider the person who is in front of us as our student. We should not consider that you are, I have not considered you all as an
Pramod
educator.
sir, you can
You are
together
here
mode
to learn.
and then we can see every educator.
So thank you all of you.
Thanks,
Thank
Mr.
you all
Pramod.
of you. We will call it a day today. So tomorrow there is a session.
Participants are requested one by one. Because of that,
Tomorrow there is a session on Wakelet. So that would be also very wonderful session, because in this project we would be working on collaboration. We would be working on empowering a student's voice. So these two tools we would be using. We would be focusing on these two tools so that it will be easier for our students and for us also to go forward. Not very complicated tools, very easy tools to use, and most important, they are free of cost. So tomorrow at 6 o'clock, today it was 7 o'clock. Tomorrow at 6 o'clock there is a session on Wakelet. So please do join. I will be sharing the message and the link in the groups, and I'll be mailing that too. Okay, so thank you so much for joining in.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye. Very well.